David, it's great to meet you. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to come and hear about what you're doing at Ipsen and wider pharmaceutical issues. When you joined 2 years ago, you said that having a biotech mindset was really important. Can you explain to me, why that is and what you've been doing to increase that biotech mindset at Ipsen?
To have a biotech mindset is to talk about the assets, talk about innovation, talk about patient centricity, agility, speed of action. And this is the mindset that we need to have in today's drug development and commercialization world. It is a hyper-competitive space. The speed of change is much faster than it's ever been, and it will only get faster. It's really being very open to that innovative mindset and how can we take that innovation and develop and commercialize better drugs for patients. That's the mindset that we want to make sure that we have going forward for Ipsen. A biotech mindset is very much a team approach to developing and commercializing innovative therapies. And that's something that biotech companies do very well because they're typically one asset focus. So the laser focus on that program allows everybody to have a common purpose, a common objective, regardless of their subject matter expertise.
Moving forward, you say there are challenges in the wider pharmaceutical industry. What do you feel are the greatest external challenges impacting the biopharmaceutical industry?
One of the greatest external challenges I see for the globe and for patients around the world is access to innovation and access to innovative treatments and medicines. That's a challenge we have globally. We've got an aging population, so the population's getting bigger and the access to this innovation is getting smaller. And this is something that we as a society will need to address, and we're addressing this today. That's a key challenge that we have. And then the globalization of what we do each and every day. We're a global economy today. We're a global healthcare. I think that the speed to which information flows is so much faster than it's ever been, and it's trying to harness this globalization as well and do what's right for the patients.
You mentioned there modestly you're not the biggest, but Ipsen is now a top 20 oncology company, and congratulations on that. But how far up that list do you think you could go? How far up that list do you want to go? And how are you going to get there?
Well, great question, Jagga. For us, one thing we can definitely control is how fast we grow, the velocity at which we can grow. That we have much greater control. So we certainly want to be among the fastest growing of the top 20 oncology companies. So we're pleased that we broke into the top 20, and with our fast growth, we think we'll continue to move up. At the same time, I think we need to be realistic. We're now over 1 billion euro in oncology sales, but the top 10 companies are multi-billion oncology companies. So let's be the fastest growing, and we'll see how we end up.
David, thank you very much for that very comprehensive and inspiring talk about how Ipsen sees itself in this challenging biopharmaceutical market. I wish you the best of luck for the future.
Well, thank you very much, Jackie.